Good morning, guys. We've had a lot of rain in Tennessee over the last week or so. We were pretty saturated, and then yesterday it rained absolutely all day. So we're out for a Waterfalls tour today. I'm here at Rock Island State Park, and this is not a waterfall, it is the Great Falls Dam, but wow, it's just so impressive. All the gates are open, so I wanted to show you Great Falls Dam. Look at all that water. Okay, just right down the road from Great Falls Dam is Great Falls. I think I'm gonna have to put some before photos up, and then we'll put today's flooded photos up. There's just something pretty spectacular about a flooded waterfall. Wow, wow, there's a lot of water. All right, ready? Woo. Pretty exciting day, guys. We've got so many more waterfalls to see, so hang on. The second waterfall here at Rock Island State Park in Tennessee is Twin Falls. Everybody knows Twin Falls, but not everybody gets to see it like this. Wow, the river is just rolling. Of course, all the gates are open to the dam, so I guess it would be. On a normal day, we would be able to walk out on the other side of those of the brush that's out in the middle of the river now. You can see the wall to the right. There's a lot more water seeping through from the lake on the other side. Wow, it's amazing, guys. Grab a different angle of Twin Falls here. See the river well. All the trees aren't in the way from this direction. It is just gorgeous, guys. Our next Tennessee State Park is Burgess Falls. I'll just show you a little bit of the river along the way. And Middle Falls. Let's see, I think they're First Falls, Middle Falls, and then the Queen, Burgess Falls. Cute little wet weather falls here at Burgess Falls. Comes from the road above, comes down under the little footbridge and into the river. Cute. And that's how this river gets so full. All these little feeders coming in from everywhere else, filling this river up. the overlook for Middle Falls. Every now and then you'll get a breeze blowing from where the water is churning so hard. You'll get breeze and mist even this high up. We are approaching the overlook for the big falls, Burgess Falls, here at Burgess Falls State Park. Can you hear the Queen booming? I can see it here. There's so much water flowing over the top. Let's go take a look. Today is not a good day for kayaking in. Wow. There's the Queen, guys. And just for fun, I'm going to put in a little clip of one of our kayaking trips. There is a put-in spot on Center Hill Lake. It's Cane Hollow, and you can put your kayak, your canoe, your paddleboard, stand-up paddleboard, whatever. You can put it in. You can paddle up here to the base of the falls. There's no way to get to the base from here at the state park, but you want to try to make plans to kayak, canoe, or SUP to the base of Burgess Falls. Y'all are not gonna believe this one. This is Lost Creek Falls and Cave. The cave is closed for the season. And normally there's no stream between the waterfalls and the cave, but today there's a small river down there. It is so cool. Can you hear it? See if we can get a little closer. Well, we can get a little closer and I'll show you. We can't get anywhere close like we normally can. I'm already being covered in mist. All right, so this is my favorite one of the day just because I can get so close to it. I will definitely have to put in some normal video and show you what normal. Can you see the rainbow? Look where we're standing, there's a pretty rainbow. But to show you normal flow versus this today, this is amazing. So much water flowing over today. It's not flowing back into the sink behind the waterfall. It's rolling straight into the cave. About a mile back in that cave is another waterfall back at the back of the cave. So I cannot even imagine how much water is in the cave today. All right, so much for straight hair with all that mist coming off of Lost Creek Falls. That's awesome. I've never seen it look like that before. I love finding it. I don't normally like the trail to the top of the falls, but we're gonna go up there today and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the very top of the falls, top of Lost Creek Falls. There's a short drop right there before it goes over the edge here. But we've shown you this before. I'll put a link to our Lost Creek Falls video here. We've come up to the top. The water flows out of a cave here at the top. And today you can see all kinds of feeders, a couple of other feeders coming in from the side of the mountain. So really, really cool, Mother Nature. in the middle of the gravel road leaving Lost Creek Falls. Look at this coming down the mountain. It looks like it's just coming out of the side of the mountain, out of another cave up there. This is kind of unusual. All of this rain that we've had. It's a beautiful drive. I'm gonna show you a few more I see down here. Most of the time, this is little bitty flow to none. All right, we have made it to Fall Creek Falls State Park. I've done a pretty good little driving loop today, but it is so worth it. I think we brought you here maybe 3 weeks ago, I think it was, and it was just kind of dripping down here. So I can hear it roaring already. We're not even to the overlook yet. So let's go see what we got. All right, guys, here we are at Fall Creek Falls. It's not dry anymore. The mist, this is Tennessee's tallest waterfall, and the mist is blowing all the way up here at the lookout. So much water rushing over the edge. I really wasn't planning to go to the bottom. I think I'm gonna hike down there just to get a little bit closer view. All right, I'm going to, let's do it. Wow, isn't it just beautiful? I can't believe I'm getting in this close without mist. Alright, this wind has shifted just a little. You might see some mist spotting there. That just about wraps up our little waterfall, or flooded waterfall tour for today. I hope you've loved it. Watch it again if you loved it. And wherever you are, always keep trying to find your next adventure.